When it comes to alternative medicines, especially Ayurveda, people take self-medication for granted, thinking that as Ayurvedic medicines are safe and natural, they can be consumed without any side effects for any prolonged period or without any medical supervision. I should say that this concept is totally wrong and it can be potentially dangerous even. Aristas are one of the most popular Ayurvedic medicines and most commonly misused in this way too. We can see people stocking different kinds of aristas at their home without knowing the indications or contraindications or without having any medical advice. They would have just heard from somewhere that this arista works for this. In fact, aristas are the Ayurvedic formulations which should be used judiciously and for only prescribed period of time, that too for exact indications. And contrary to the common belief, aristas are having contraindications in many cases also. One of the saddest part of self-medication or over-the-counter medication is many a times you may miss the chance of a proper diagnosis or even a serious diagnosis. I had a case few years back where a 60-year-old lady came to me for back pain consultation. During the case taking, I asked her about her gynecological history and she very casually revealed that she had few episodes of menopausal bleeding few weeks back. She took some Ayurvedic medicines from the nearby shop and the bleeding got arrested. She was never ever bothered why the bleeding would have happened for her after 10 years of her menopause, where in fact any bleeding after 1 year of menopause should be seriously investigated. I forcefully sent her for further investigations and she got diagnosed with uterine cancer. Another negative part of self-medication is that many a times the therapy itself becomes ineffective. It usually happens with cough syrups or lehyas, especially in cases of dry, irritant cough and all. People will come and tell, Doctor, I have taken this particular syrup for these many days or this particular syrup and lehya for these many days, but it didn't work for me. In fact, in all the cases, it will be of self-medication. They would have just Googled which is the best Ayurveda cough syrup, or they would have seen in some YouTube channels that this is the best cough syrup ever. In fact, if you are approaching an Ayurvedic doctor, a registered one, many a time these cough syrups may not be there in the prescription even, especially in cases of different stages of or causes of cough, different medicines will be advised. So one thing I want to say specifically that you should always keep in your mind, whether it is Ayurveda or any other system, medicines are always medicines. So the usage and dosage of medicines should be under the prescription of a registered healthcare professional. So it is crucial to consult an Ayurvedic doctor before attempting any kind of Ayurvedic medicines for its safety and efficacy.